Hello and good day, meteorologist Mike Adcock with an update on Typhoon Phanfone. Located east of Okinawa, this briefing is based on the 12 Zulu JMA advisory from the 4th of October. Taking a look at satellite imagery, we do see a little bit of a weaker storm from what we saw this time yesterday. Typhoon Phanfone starting to be influenced by the jet stream running across to the north over Japan. That is introducing shear to the system. So we do see that outflow well to the north of the system, becoming a little bit more ragged, but a little bit closer to the eye. You do see that convection not nearly as symmetrical, pretty weak convection rather, on the southwestern side, and even the eye wall now becoming a little bit ragged as we get into the evening hours here. As of 9 p.m. Japan Standard Time, the center of circulation located about 425 kilometers east-northeast of Naha, or about 9:15 south-southwest of Osaka. It is moving to the north-northwest at 11 kilometers per hour. We've seen this curve that we've been tracking the past few days right now becoming almost northerly in terms of its forward motion. Should see that really set up as we go in through Sunday morning, and then by Sunday evening should start seeing an easterly component with its forward motion. Maximum winds with this system 165 kilometers per hour with gusts on up to 240 kilometers. This is a little bit weaker than this morning. Pressure now starting to increase at 940 hectopascal. For the U.S. military interest in Japan, do have some TC Core information for you. Okinawa, Iwakuni, and Yokota right now in TC Core storm watch. That meaning winds are not expected, or sustained winds are not expected to exceed 58 miles per hour. At Sugi, you're in TC Core 3. That means 58 mile per hour winds or greater expected within 48 hours. And Yokosuka, you're in TC Core 2. Same thing, but time frame is now 24 hours. So I'm going to continue to monitor the progress of that. Latest warnings from JMA do have all the areas that you see highlighted there in red really are for high wave warnings. There in southern Kyushu do have a few storm warnings as well. And looking at the big picture, really you can see once the banner goes away, the effects of this front that went through Japan on Friday. Stationary boundary now to the south of Japan. That is part of what's starting to influence Phanfone this evening. Again, you're going to start to see that make this or finish this curve that we've been talking about for the past few days and start moving northeastward as it interacts with that frontal system. Also want to point out the next typhoon that we're monitoring, the right now tropical storm. This is Phanfone. Right now to the southeast of the Marianas Islands. Typhoon watches are in effect there for Guam and the Marianas. All right, so here's the JMA surface analysis from 6 Zulu this afternoon. Really, pretty much what I've been talking about. Again, that front that went through on Friday, it's starting to influence Phanfone as it starts to make ate turn to the northeast. Right now on radar, we do see some scattered showers affecting the islands there. Right now, the bulk of the rain still off to the east. We're not going to really see the significant rainfalls affecting landmass until Sunday, as we see on the forecast track from JMA. Get toward Sunday afternoon, really going to start seeing heavy rainfall affecting Kyushu, and then Sunday night into Monday morning, southern Honshu is going to be dealing with this. Right now, about Monday morning, we're going to see landfall in and around Shizuoka as it continues to move off and accelerate to the northeast, probably a late morning by midday. The center of circulation passing over Tokyo proper. Really going to see significant impact, though, throughout the Kanto plain. This is going to be not just a wind event. Still forecast to be a typhoon as it goes through Tokyo. Because the right front quadrant, though, is over land, or over water, rather. Really, we're going to see the typhoon force winds predominantly focused over the coastal areas, but very strong winds nonetheless going through the metro area. The big story is going to be very heavy rainfall affecting Kyushu and Honshu. Looking for rainfall totals of easily 150 to 250 millimeters. Going to see flooding conditions as well as landslides. With regards to the winds, it's something we're definitely going to have to monitor for those that do live in this area. If you haven't already, it's a perfect opportunity to go outside and start securing any loose objects. Try to minimize on any damage to your own property and others as this system starts to approach. Good news is all the forecast agencies are in pretty good agreement on the timing and track of this system. Some minor deviations here and there. Do see Hong Kong a little bit further west in terms of its landfall, but generally everybody's talking about significant impacts to Tokyo. So we're going to continue to monitor this as we go in through Sunday and Monday. Of course, you can keep it here at westernpacificweather.com. We're going to continue to monitor this throughout Sunday and Monday. You can also join in on the conversation at Storm2K. Thank you all for tuning in. Have a great day and be safe out there. Take care.